So the conscious and the unconscious, I know a lot of people get really, really like down in the weeds with this, and I don't. And part of why I don't is that, at any point in time, you're not just going, hey, I'm living in my conscious now. No, I'm doing my unconscious. They're interlocked. And really, what I like to look at is how are they aligned and where's their discordance between the themes in the conscious and the unconscious. And this is actually one of the things we do in level 4. When we look at the chart and we look at the conscious and unconscious, oftentimes what you'll see is there's a conundrum. There are aspects on one side of the chart that are in direct conflict with the other side of the chart. And that conflict, that conundrum is actually the catalyst for your growth. That the every time you go through a growth cycle, every time you go through a maturation process, and it's usually thematically very similar. So you might not have the same gates in, say, Mars and Saturn and Uranus and Chiron, but you'll have gates that have similar themes. And usually when you find the conundrum, you'll go, oh, well, no wonder this person has Mars in this and Saturn in this and Pluto, because that theme of that conundrum will play out in multiple layers in the chart. So our inner journey, our inner, conundrum is sort of reveals to us that devil that keeps playing it out every time we go through a new level. It's the pushing off point for our growth and expansion. And it's usually that thing that gets under our skin that we have to constantly rework and go to therapy for and get coaching for over the course of our life, because that's our growth point. That's our catalyst point. The red one contains the code for your life purpose and your ancestral lineage, and the black contains the code for your soul. And you, in this lifetime, you are a blend of all of these. You are a soul in a human story, untangling yourself from any limiting narrative that's keeping you from living out the fulfillment of who you were born to be.